Calendly does not have a direct built-in feature for email verification, but you can ensure email accuracy and follow up with invitees through some straightforward methods. Email collection in event setup. By default, Calendly requires invitees to provide an email address when booking. When setting up an event type, go to the Invitee Questions section. The email field is always required, ensuring invitees provide an address for booking confirmation. Send email confirmations. Calendly automatically sends a confirmation email to the invitee once they book an appointment. This serves as a basic verification, as only those with access to the provided email will receive the confirmation details. Use email verification integrations. For edit verification, connect Calendly with tools like Zapier or Integromat to trigger email verification workflows. For example, once someone books a meeting, you can use an integration to send a separate verification email or confirmation link via services like MailChimp or SendGrid. Enable reminders and follow-ups. On Calendly's professional plan and above, you can set up reminder and follow-up emails. These additional notifications help verify that invitees have accurate and accessible email addresses.